Hey there, it's Tanker at Mobile Congress 2018 with the Sony Xperia XZ2. This is the bigger one of the two phones. And as you can see, the big news here is the new display, which is an 18.9 full screen display. Still a little bit of bezels on top and the bottom on the sides here, but a big improvement compared to what we're used to seeing at Sony. This is a 1080p panel, 5.7 inches. It's a beautiful phone, to be honest with you. This is a greenish color like aqua. This is the second phone launched at MWC that has a Snapdragon 845. This has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. And again, this is a very beautiful greenish color, aqua color. And here's the back, which has a fingerprint reader in the back, which is the place where it should be, and a 19 megapixel camera. And there's a lot of cool software enhancement and features with this new camera that really make it stand out, according to Sony, that is. I haven't been able to test it, but still no OIS from what I hear, which is an interesting choice, but considering Sony makes a lot of the OIS sensors for other companies. But you can see this is a new direction for the industrial design that Sony's taking here. A lot more round corners and less squares, but still very much a Sony product. Very much in the lineage of what we've seen in the past. So this is kind of cool. What else did I tell you? The battery's, I think, 3,160 milliamp hours, around the 3,000 mark basically, which should be pretty good on that Snapdragon 845. You can see it's this fingerprint magnet. Just holding it briefly has certainly kind of tarnished it. There's some sensors up here, a flash right above the camera here. I'm not quite sure what the other ones are doing, but one of the lovely things about Sony phones is the dedicated camera button right there. And then you get the power lock key to the left of my thumb and the volume rocker. That's for the right hand side. And the left hand side really doesn't have anything. You have a couple of antenna bands and that's it. USB Type-C on the bottom, primary microphone, and the top has the SIM slot and a secondary microphone. No visible headphone jack here, so that might be a new thing for Sony as well. So there you go. Very much fingerprint magnet, but a really beautiful phone here at MWC 2018. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe and like this video. And don't forget, go listen to the Mobile Tech Podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Cheers.